ready to roll him. Yeah, he moved way too many king moves. Okay, don't trade or tag the chicken. Bro, he's fine. He found the shelter. You play just like my Labrador. Bro, you called us a doggy? Not nice. We check we check Brogos, and he keeps on living. Let's hop the pony back so that we can, I don't know, check there, somewhere. Hop the pony, ask for the sacrifice, otherwise we can take there and say the mating season is here. No more doubts for Sam. Let's, I don't know, bring in the rope so that we go here and do back rank businesses. No back rank. Bro, Sam is holding on for way too long. I don't like it. Let's give a check so that we can go rook check and actually win a queen or something. Rook goes there. No checking him out. Rook here is the way, right? This is the way. And I don't know if bro takes the pawn. Oh, bro sacrifices the queen. Finally. Oof. Nice capture. Did you go to public school? Oh, okay. I guess. Bro sacrifices. Yeah, bro thinks he's got them, but he's trash. Sam, kick away there. This is the way. Bye-bye, Mr. Sam. The trash bag. Infinite trendiest 3 million singles. That means goes 1700, so he should play well. He plays the enjoy cutting edge technology. Okay, that's what he says. Okay, which is the way. Push on and try to be smart. Push on and get a good connection. Right? The way the queen. Oh, this is how it's bumper. You push. Check. Try. GG transport man. Now go back. Well, Finn, Jet or Juicer and Castle. No troubles. Usually the friends they like to go see. He did not, so I guess he is the trash god. He's not the trash talker, he's just a rash. Anyways, Castle and be ready to put Juicer there, hold there, and get control of the good center. Rotates, take back, take, solve an inventory. Our boss blocking is complete, all the pieces are out, we have left the job, go camera. Ooh, dumpling them bombs. Trash or trash technology, save the pawn, I will push and save it. Put it on the also, doesn't matter. FF. What's that? He wants to play with the juicer, let him play. So major man. Push on the pony, ask him to take back. Wait, I can't let you do that. Right. Not sure where the stick is going. You take this route down, takes here, on, got to use protection. I can see right through you. Therefore, you can see what we think, but he doesn't think. I can trade queen in a minute because we're pawn up, but we'll bring the queen back and say we need some action. Without queen, we don't have we set the pawn. Let me get a freebie. That's a free one. Nobody protected. Always use protection. That's what. He's attacking here. This one's protected. So let's go there. Keep this one protected. Put a gun up here. That was better. Now I'm doing somewhere. Try to hop the pony to some glory land. If I hop, the pawn dies. Tricky man. Tricky. I'm gonna push, but this one dies. I'm gonna hop, but this one dies. Then juicers are problematic. Push, try to soften this up. Beep. What are we keeping? Well, let's, I don't know, hop the pony. And then we can hop our ponies. There. Good pony hopping for us. Protection. Safe. Take those. Here. Take on the candy. Take on the candy. The coverage is not there. He forgot. He's looking for the coverage. That's kind of good. By hopping, broken sacrifice. It's a bit of a problem. How to play with the juicer. Let's keep the rook alive. It's extra protection for us. That's a big threat. Focusing on the attack. Take a shell fail. We ain't killing. No chill. Takes. And we believe we are good. After all kind of takes because the chicken is meat. Does not compute. Yeah. Take my friend anymore, kiddo. Take everything. Oh, he was afraid that he was going to go in. So he did not take it and push the random looking pawn. But you can't stop us. We can go in. And we are. Okay, let's go there. Spin it and big whoop. Okay, use protection. Doesn't matter. Take off the pawn. Attack the queen. Remove the defender. Take the juicer and if he goes there to protection. He does. Let's protect the juicer as well. Like this, and we should have the down. If I check him, he's fine. He's running away. King Oh shit, but there is no mating, man. Can't mate with the robo. Activate the chicken. Wow.